There are three kinds of matter. The three kinds of matter are solids, liquids, and gases. Solids. Books, rocks, and toys are solids. Solid matter holds its own shape. Solids do not take the shape of their container. Marbles fill a jar, but the marbles are still round. Solids are not easy to compress. Compress means to squeeze something into a tight space. Bottles and cans are solids. It's not easy to squeeze them into the recycling bin. Solids do not flow. Solid candies don't spread across ice cream the way hot fudge sauce does. That looks delicious. Liquids. Oil, syrup, and water are liquids. Liquid matter does not hold its own shape. Liquids take the shape of their own container. Water inside a swimming pool takes on the shape of the pool. So it says water in a square pool takes on a square shape. Liquids are not easy to compress. Milk is a liquid. You couldn't fit the milk in the jug into the little carton. Liquids flow. Liquid syrup spreads across pancakes. I may have had pancakes this morning. Gases. Air, steam, and your breath are gases. Gas matter does not hold its own shape. Gases take the shape of their container. The air inside the hot air balloon takes the shape of the balloon. Gases are easy to compress. Carbon dioxide is a gas. It's inside soda cans. It's squeezed into the cans to give the soda bubbles. Gases flow. The air inside a bubble spreads to fill the space inside the bubble. This is my favorite part. Matter and changes. Matter can change from one kind to another. Some solids can change to liquids. Some liquids can change to gases. Water is a special kind of matter. You know that water is a liquid, but it can easily be found in all three forms on our planet. Water becomes a solid if it is cold. It turns to ice. Water turns into ice when it freezes. Water freezes when it reaches a temperature of 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius. Water becomes a gas if it is heated. It turns into steam. Water turns into steam when it boils. Water boils when it reaches a temperature of 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius. Water at any temperature can change into water vapor. Water vapor is a gas. This change is called evaporation. Some people use a drying rack after washing their dishes. The dishes dry after the water evaporates. Water vapor changes back into a liquid water when it cools in the air. This change is called condensation. You can see condensation after a hot shower. The water vapor touches the shower door and turns back into a liquid. Have you ever seen condensation on a shower door? Other matter can change forms too. Cheese is a solid. It melts when it gets hot. It changes to a liquid. Juice is a liquid. It freezes when it gets cold. It changes to a solid. Dry ice is a solid. Dry ice is frozen carbon dioxide. It changes back into a gas as it warms up. We use solids, liquids, and gases every day. They are an important part of our lives and our planet. So this is a tasty changing matter activity. Lots of people love to eat butter. They spread it on toast, on potatoes, and on asparagus. But did you know that this tasty solid actually comes from a liquid? Try this activity to change liquid cream into solid butter. You need heavy whipping cream, a small container with a lid, and a pinch of salt. Here are the directions. Take the whipping cream out of the refrigerator and let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes. Fill the container halfway with the whipping cream. Tightly seal the container with the lid. Shake the container back and forth. Keep shaking for about 10 minutes. That's a long time. Or until the cream sticks together in a clump. Open the lid. There may be a bit of liquid left in the container. It's called buttermilk. Pour off the buttermilk. Your butter is ready to enjoy. If you'd like, you can mix a pinch of salt in with your butter. then give it a taste. I hope you enjoyed the book, and I hope you get to try that activity. Bye for now.